Deep beneath the ocean, where sunlight fades and silence reigns, a new era is dawning. In these mysterious depths, the boundaries between technology and nature blur, and the stakes have never been higher. A new force is emerging, one that will redefine undersea warfare and challenge the very limits of what we thought possible beneath the waves. A revolutionary submarine is about to join the U.S. Navy, marking a turning point in naval history. This vessel represents not just a leap forward in engineering but a bold vision for the future of maritime security. Unlike any before it, this vessel is more ghost than machine, designed for stealth, intelligence, and adaptability. Its presence is nearly undetectable, gliding through the ocean with a silence that belies its power. Its arrival forces nations worldwide to rethink their strategies and defenses. The balance of power beneath the sea is shifting, and global navies are watching closely, aware that the rules of engagement are being rewritten. Years of relentless innovation and engineering have produced a platform that's not just a weapon, but a sentinel, watching, listening, and learning in the ocean's depths. Every system, every sensor is tuned for awareness and survival. This submarine is the culmination of cutting-edge research in materials, AI, and naval architecture. Its hull is crafted from advanced composites, its brain powered by artificial intelligence, and its design shaped by decades of experience. It's not just about firepower, it's about information dominance and strategic flexibility. The crew operates in a digital command center, processing vast streams of data to outthink and outmaneuver any adversary. As it joins the fleet, it signals a new era of American technological leadership beneath the waves. The world is watching as the U.S. Navy sets a new standard for undersea operations. The world's oceans are about to be patrolled by a guardian with unmatched capabilities, one that can strike, evade, and gather intelligence with unprecedented efficiency. The rules of the deep are changing, and the U.S. Navy is leading the way, forging a path into the unknown and ensuring security for generations to come. Meet the USS Badr-Din Wanderdere, meet the USS, the first of the SSN X-class, a new breed of attack submarine. Built by General Dynamics Electric Boat, it's the product of over a decade of innovation. Its mission, to be the most dominant, undetectable undersea platform on the planet. With a radically quiet acoustic signature, and Naspen Staken Nights, and advanced automation, and unmatched versatility, it's designed to outpace and outsmart any adversary. The commissioning of the marks the dawn of a new chapter for the U.S. Navy's silent service. The represents a radical departure from traditional submarine architecture, featuring a blended organic hull that flows seamlessly from bow to stern. Gone is the classic sail, replaced by a low-profile, streamlined fairing designed for ultimate stealth and hydrodynamic efficiency. This innovative shape isn't just for looks. It's engineered to scatter and deflect sonar waves, making the submarine incredibly difficult to detect, even by the most advanced enemy systems. Deep within, a next-generation nuclear reactor provides virtually limitless power, driving an all-electric propulsion system. This eliminates the need for noisy mechanical gearboxes, dramatically reducing the vessel's acoustic signature and making it one of the quietest submarines ever built. The outer hull is sheathed in active anechoic tiles, advanced materials that can adapt in real time to changing sonar frequencies, absorbing and neutralizing incoming sound waves to further cloak the submarine from detection. Inside, the control room is a marvel of automation. Advanced artificial intelligence and robotics handle routine operations, from navigation to system diagnostics, allowing the human crew to focus on critical decision-making and mission objectives. With fewer crew required, more space is available for mission-specific technology, enhanced living quarters, and supplies, enabling longer patrols and greater operational flexibility in hostile waters. The is not only quieter, but also smarter and more agile than any of its predecessors. Its advanced maneuvering systems allow it to operate in shallower waters and tighter spaces, expanding its tactical options. Every component, from the reinforced hull to the reactor core, is meticulously engineered for survivability, resilience, and dominance in the most challenging environments. This submarine marks a technological leap as significant as the transition from diesel to nuclear power, redefining what's possible beneath the waves. The result is a vessel that's nearly invisible to adversaries, highly adaptable to any mission profile and always ready to respond at a moment's notice. This sets a new benchmark for undersea warfare, shaping the future of submarine technology for decades to come. At its core, the boasts a conformal sonar array, turning the entire hull into a 360-degree listening device. It can detect threats from hundreds of miles away, long before it's ever seen. Modular payload tubes launch and recover unmanned underwater vehicles, extending its reach and multiplying its eyes and ears. Inside, holographic displays and augmented reality interfaces give the crew real-time 3D awareness of the battle space. An onboard AI fuses sensor data, enabling rapid, informed decisions. Powering it all is a new, life-of-the-ship nuclear reactor, smaller, safer, and never needing refueling. This means more time on patrol, less time in port, and unmatched operational availability. The is a command center, mothership and hunter, all in one. It's the most advanced submarine ever built. The ES electric drive lets it move fast and stay silent, crossing oceans undetected. This advanced propulsion system not only reduces noise to a whisper, but also eliminates the telltale vibrations that older submarines can't hide. It glides beneath the waves, invisible to most sensors, making it a true ghost of the deep. In a confrontation, its stealth hull absorbs sonar pings, scattering sound waves, and making it nearly impossible for enemy sonar to get a clear reading. This means it can slip past defenses and patrols that would stop a conventional sub in its tracks. Meanwhile, its state-of-the-art sensors pinpoint enemies from afar, detecting threats long before they become a danger. The crew can track multiple targets at once, building a complete picture of the battle space. The hunter becomes the hunted, often without realizing it. Enemy vessels may never know they're being watched until it's too late. For intelligence missions, the can deploy drones from a safe distance, sending unmanned vehicles into dangerous waters to gather data or monitor enemy movements. This keeps the crew out of harm's way, allowing them to operate with confidence even in hostile territory. The submarine becomes a command center, orchestrating complex missions from beneath the surface. Its modular payload bays allow it to switch between cruise missiles, torpedoes, or surveillance drones, adapting to any mission. Whether it's striking land targets, hunting enemy ships, or gathering intelligence, it can reconfigure in hours, not days. Older submarines are limited by fixed weapons and noisy engines. They lack the flexibility and stealth needed for modern warfare. The is flexible and nearly invisible, able to vanish into the ocean's depths at a moment's notice. It can strike, spy, and gather intelligence with precision, all while remaining undetected by adversaries. Or support special operations, all without being detected. It can insert or extract special forces, deliver supplies, or conduct surveillance in the world's most contested waters. This adaptability makes it a true multi-mission platform, ready for any challenge the future may bring. The isn't just an upgrade, it's a generational leap. It redefines what a submarine can do, setting a new standard for undersea warfare. It gives commanders options and advantages no previous submarine could offer, empowering them to outthink and outmaneuver any opponent. In every scenario, it tips the balance decisively in America's favor, ensuring dominance beneath the waves. The future of undersea warfare belongs to those who can adapt, and the leads the way, setting the pace for navies around the world. It's a game changer, plain and simple. A silent force that shapes the balance of power for decades to come. The world has taken notice of for U.S. allies, it's a reassurance, proof of America's commitment to maritime security and technological leadership. Its innovations will shape Allied submarine designs for years to come. For rivals like China and Russia, it's a wake-up call. Their investments in anti-submarine warfare are suddenly outdated, and closing the gap will be costly and difficult. Intelligence agencies worldwide are scrambling to learn its secrets, tracking every move and deployment. The has triggered a new phase in the underwater arms race. Competitors must now invest in new detection methods and next-gen submarines just to keep up. The bar for naval power has been raised, and the U.S. is a generation ahead. Any nation hoping to challenge America at sea now faces a daunting, expensive task. This shifts the global balance of naval power dramatically. It creates a sanctuary for U.S. fleets, shielding carrier groups and securing sea lanes. Offensively, it can strike anywhere, anytime, making even the most defended targets vulnerable. Its presence is a powerful deterrent, forcing adversaries to rethink every move. With advanced surveillance and UUVs, it controls vast stretches of ocean, blinding enemy navies. In peacetime, it's a silent tool for diplomacy and crisis management. Its mere presence influencing global events. The is more than a weapon. It's a strategic asset that changes the game entirely. Its impact is felt whether it's seen or not. The USS is more than hardware, it's the start of a new era in naval warfare. Its unmatched stealth, AI, and unmanned systems give the US a decisive edge for decades to come. For America, it's a vital investment in security, power projection, and alliance support. For the world, it's a symbol of relentless innovation and a challenge to keep pace. The closes one chapter of submarine warfare and opens another, where information, automation, and adaptability rule. As these vessels patrol the deep, they carry the responsibility of maintaining peace and stability. The tides of naval history are shifting. The is leading the way into uncharted waters.